a nice one. Yeah, I'll take this one. I'm not gonna hoss this one like I did before. Oh yeah, come on baby, talk to me. I think that's a decent fish. Like I said, I'm not gonna hoss this one like I did the last one. He's pulling us downstream.
Oh yes.
That's a nice fish, heck yeah. Come on baby. Can you grab a net on your end there? I could use a little help with this one, I think. Yeah. There you go. Let me try to pull him to you. Got him? Nope. Shoot.
Come on.
Hold on here, I gotta turn the boat around. Oh yeah!
Mama.
Now that is a fish. Heck yeah! Woo, baby! That is a fish right there, guys.